What's going on, guys? Thomas Garetz here, and in this video, if you couldn't tell from the title, we're going to be talking about YouTube Shorts. Now, this is absolutely insane what YouTube is doing with Shorts, and if you don't know what it is, it's basically YouTube's competition to TikTok, right? Like, if you didn't know already, like, the world is all gravitating towards this short form content that they can watch on their cell phones. And this is on YouTube's official blog right here. They're introducing the Shorts Fund. Okay, so we're introducing the YouTube Shorts Fund, a $100 million fund distributed over the course of 2021 and 2022. So this is absolutely insane. And if you haven't seen Shorts, chances are it's because you're just watching YouTube on your computer. But if I pull out my phone right here and you just go to the app, the YouTube app, and you scroll down a little bit, you'll see this Shorts beta thing right here. Also, if you're a YouTube creator and you create a new YouTube channel, at the top of everything on your channel, you can like set like your uploads, playlists, that type of thing. They put the YouTube Shorts videos at the top. So they're definitely trying to really get people to start using Shorts, especially as you can tell with this fund. Okay, so this is a great way to get started on YouTube. And the best part is you can do this without even showing your face and without even creating the content yourself. So that's what we're gonna be doing in this video. And I'll even be showing you how to create the content if you just have a cell phone. So let's get it. All right, so the first step to doing anything online is doing a little research and trying to figure out what type of content, what type of channel you wanna create. And the most simple way is by just grabbing the YouTube app. It's free. I'm sure you probably have it by now. But you go to this little, you just scroll down to this Shorts part I was showing you, and just you can look at like the popular videos they're showing you. A lot of the time this is gonna be tailored specific to what you watch, but you can just see the views down here at the bottom and just scroll a little bit and check out the type of content people are creating, okay? So right here, these are people just re-uploading like videos of MGK. I've gotten into investing a lot recently, which I created my second channel, Thomas Garetz Investing. I'm gonna start creating videos on there very soon. But as you can see, this Elon Musk right here, he has a lot to do in the investing space lately. Like a single tweet from Elon can make Bitcoin go up or down 20% in a single day. Absolutely crazy. So if we click on this channel right here, so I'm gonna lower the volume, but as you can see, this is a channel called Investing Basics. And this, what did this video have? Like 1.8 million views. Okay, so let's click on the channel. And as you can see, they have 44,000 subscribers. And once you click on the channel from the shorts, all they do is they show you all the other shorts. So you see shorts from this channel. So not all of them are gonna go viral, but you gotta understand that 1.8 million views is a lot. And I don't even have a single video on my channel with close to that amount of views. And I have over 100,000 subscribers, okay? So literally, if you click on his channel, you can see again, the shorts beta part where it shows all the shorts is at the top. But if you just go to his videos, all he uploads is shorts, and he's just taking clips from like these different famous people, investors, entrepreneurs, and just uploading them on here. Okay, so it's really that simple. Honestly, you got to be careful with certain stuff like this, but obviously it's working right now with shorts, but you don't own the copyright to this, okay? But there's a ton of people doing it, and at the end of the video, I'll show you a way to get around this, so just stay tuned for that. But this is something a ton of people do on YouTube now with the shorts, on Instagram, and there's fair use and Creative Commons, so there's a way to get around this. Like, you can find Creative Commons videos and do this, and a lot of the time you can do this because people like Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, they want people to share their content. They want people to talk about what they talk about because they're passionate about it. Elon Musk, all he cares about is more people moving to electric vehicles and a cleaner earth and going to Mars. He doesn't care if people are sharing his content. He doesn't care if you own the copyright or not. But I just want you to know that sometimes that can hurt you in the long run, which again, I'll talk about it at the end. But let's just talk about how to create videos like this. And again, if you're not interested in investing, you can search up cat videos, dog videos. Like those videos are getting crazy views on shorts, okay? So choose which niche you want and then find a channel that's doing it. And then what you can also do is just go over here to YouTube. So if we're gonna do like a cat video, for example, you could type in like cat video what are they called? Like a cat video compilation, right? Compilation, if I can spell. And then what you can do is you can go up here to filters and you can go to Creative Commons, because then, like I said, you can actually upload that by not needing the copyright. You are free to use this type of content. You can Google what Creative Commons means, but that's what it means, okay? So now these are like 3-minute videos. And shorts are anywhere from 15 seconds to 60 seconds. And typically these like viral videos are gonna just be short, funny type videos. So if we click on this right here, and as you can see, it's just a funny cat video. He may have added that audio to it, but that's really not that important. So let me just show you how to do this. Okay, so it's YouTube, and then after the YouTube, you put a PP and then hit enter. And that brings you to this, and then you wanna download it in the highest quality you can, so 720 right there, and then hit download MP4. And then it's downloading right down there, you can see. And now you can use any editor you want. And honestly, Canva actually works for this as well. It's a free tool and they're still pretty new into the whole editing thing, but it's completely free and super easy to do. So check this out. If you go to create a design, you want, instead of a 16:9, which is a regular YouTube video, you want a 9:16. So that's 1080 by 1920, the same as an Instagram story. So we can click on that. And then what you do is you take your video, you put it into your folder right here, and it uploads right there. It's on videos. And then you just click it. I'm gonna pause it so it's not making noise. And then you wanna take the corners and you wanna make it bigger, and then you just wanna make it the size of this thing so it's not any white in it, unless you wanted to like add some stuff to it, but you don't have to do that. You just want it centered like that. And then what you wanna do is you wanna click on it, and then you can go to these scissors right here, okay? Now what you can do is you can cut out which part you want to use, so a 15 to 60 second clip, okay? Let's take like a clip out the middle of it. That one looks funny here. So let's start right there, it changes. And then let's see how far that goes. So that's like 50 seconds, okay? Or no, this is 26.8 seconds. It goes to the 50-second mark, okay? So now we're good. It's at 26.8 seconds. You hit download, MP4 video, download. Hold on. Let's rewind that clip real quick. So I know I said it in that little text box a little bit earlier, but as you could see right here, if I would have just paid attention, please wait while we process a video in your design. And on the left, you can see this blue bar / purple bar. It's not finished processing yet. So make sure you let the video finish processing, because you will run into issues like I do later in this video, but I caught it and I just wanted to mention that so you don't do it like I did it. Back to the video. And then while that's downloading, I want to show you one more thing on my phone, because I said I'd show you how to do it with just your phone. What you can do is, well, I'm downloading, as you can see in the top left corner right now. But so what you would do is you would, if you have an iPhone, sorry, I don't know how Androids work, but just type into Google how to screen record on Androids. I'm sure there's a way. But for iPhone, you would go to settings and you would go to control center, and this little screen recording thing will probably be down here. What you would do is you would hit the plus button to bring it up, and then when you go right here, you can screen record, okay? So I'm just gonna pretend I just clicked my screen record button. So I'll do a countdown, 3, 2, 1, okay? Then what you wanna do is you wanna just go to the YouTube video you're gonna do this for. So it'd be, if it was the cat one, you would just click on it, you would press play, and then you would watch it, and then you would cut it, okay? So then what you would do is it would get saved to your videos. So let me just show you with another video. I have one of like my daughter here somewhere. That was our family after my brother's memorial. She was being so cute, honestly. Here's one. Okay, so what you would do is, this is funny. It was her eating a lemon, but what you would do, you would hit edit, okay? And then what you could do is you can hit this crop button, and you can cut anything out that needs to be cut out, all right? You can also go up here to this top right thing, and then you can make sure it's a 9:16, so you save the aspect ratio. That way you can't make it the wrong aspect ratio, you know what I mean? So then what you do is you hit done, and then you can edit it again, and then you can like cut out what you want. Just like we did with the scissors on Canva, you cut it out like that. okay? And then you would hit done, save video, or save video as a new clip. Then the cool thing is, I'll show you how to upload it on the computer, but one thing the computer doesn't have is if you go to the YouTube app right here, and we go to home, you can click down this plus and you can actually click create a short, okay? This is brand new and you can click the 15-second or 60-second, depending how long your clip is. And then you go to your pictures right there and then we would just grab our clip and then you can also edit it in here so you wouldn't even need to do any of that, which is pretty cool. You hit add, then you hit this check mark here. You can add music, you can add text, you can mess with the timeline, and you can add in different stuff there, and it's like a little editor. This is crazy. I've never used this, by the way, just so you know, this is brand new. You can't even do it on the computer yet, so just so you know that. And then you would hit next and then upload it, okay? I'm not gonna upload that, obviously, but that's how you do that on your phone. Now, if we're gonna do it on the actual computer, it's a little different, okay? So we would go over to our YouTube channel and you would go up here to create and then upload video, okay? And then you would drag our video onto here and you would call this, it was like a video of a, I don't know, what was it? Like a army man, like a little army figurine chasing a cat. So think of a funny name for that. It's like army figurine chasing cat. Or cat reacts to toy funny or something like that, okay? Now, very important, you have to add hashtag shorts, okay? That way it knows that it's a short, at least right now. Later on, once they get the shorts button on here, you should be able to do it without it. But yeah, so just make sure you add that. But now the most important part is actually monetizing this, okay? So there's a couple ways to do it. I'm gonna show you two. And these are the two, in my opinion, the best ways to get started because it's so fast and so easy. So first of all, you could write a short description about your video. You could say, this is a hilarious short video, or do like hashtag shorts. Video of a cat getting, or a cat reacting to a toy army figurine or whatever. I don't know what those things are called. I forget. But then what you want to do is you want to have your links here. Okay. So the first way we're going to do is affiliate marketing. And if you don't know what that is, that's just going to other companies like Amazon, Target, and tons of other companies and promoting their products. And then when someone purchases that product from you, you get a commission of the sale. Okay, so almost every company has an affiliate program, but out there's what's called affiliate networks. And what we're gonna use is Clickbank. And Clickbank is an affiliate network full of digital products. So rather than promoting like a cat bed on Amazon, which might be something you could do, but the problem with that is you only get about 1% of a commission. With Clickbank and digital products, you're gonna make 30, 40, 50, 60, 70% commissions. So it's much higher because there's no product cost, there's no shipping, none of that. Okay, so let me go over to Clickbank here and you would just click sign up. Super simple. I'm not going to show you how to do that. But once you're inside of Clickbank, you go up to their marketplace up here. And once you're over here on their marketplace, you can either go to their categories on the left right here or just type in something like pets. Okay, and then what you want to do is you can either raise it by like gravity, which means what sells the most. So right here is a brain training for dogs. And then this is a not related to animals, cat spraying no more. So that's something you could definitely use in a cat video, right? Depending on what content you decide you're gonna keep uploading, if you're gonna be like specific to cats or if you're gonna start uploading dog shorts as well, that's up to you which product you wanna do. But you could do them both too. It's not that difficult, but I would only choose one affiliate product per video personally, because it's just more likely to get people to click on that product and purchase. So for this one, we're just gonna use the cat spraying no more. And you can see it's a $24 is what you're gonna get per sale. Okay, and to promote the product, you just click promote right here, and then your account nickname will be there if you're signed in. Otherwise, it's just your username. And then you click generate hop link. Now, this is your long, ugly affiliate link. We don't want that in our YouTube description. So we copy it. We go to a free website called bit.ly.com. And then you just go right here, paste it in there, shorten it. Now we got this nice short link, okay? So copy that. And then we go back to our upload. what could we say? You could say something like, train your cat to not spray, or something like that, and then paste the link. All right. And then the second way is a way I personally use, and this is by using merchandise. And you can get my merch down below if you want, but the tool I use, the website I use, is called Spreadshop. And you would just click right here, open a Spreadshop, and set that up. And then all you have to do is create simple designs, okay? So you could go back to Canva and create a design for like t-shirt right here. I personally use a square, but this works fine too. But because you use the t-shirt template, what you can do is they show a ton of templates. So if we typed in cats, you can see I love cats and naps, or you can proud cat mom, right? Like tons of stuff. And then personally, like I said, I use a square design because that's what Spreadshop says looks the best when you upload it onto a shirt, but it really doesn't make a ton of difference. But if you want to know how to do that, create a design, custom size, 4,000 by 4,000. Okay, that's the highest quality for the shirts. And then you could, again, just go to photos, type in cats, and you can literally do something like that, or just go to elements and type in cats. And you can just literally take like a paw, like maybe you just want a paw, and then you want to change the color to like blue or whatever color you want, right? Like orange. That is not orange. There we go. Something like that. Okay, and then what you do is you hit download. Then we'll download it as a transparent background, and we'll go over to Spreadshirt. And then inside designs right here, you just hit upload designs, drag our design on there, and then you hit confirm selection. They just optimized it better for you. And then you go right here and you go to Spreadshop because that's the shop you're gonna use. And then you can see it literally puts it on all these different designs automatically for you. And there's tons more products. So if you go to all available products, literally, look at this. Absolutely insane. Okay, so you can add as many products as you want. They have hundreds, all right? And then you just go to next. You name the product. So it'd be like paw print or whatever you want to call it. You could say, this is a cat's paw print merch or something. And you add like cat merch. Just tags to help people find it or whatever, and then hit create. And now it's on my shop right here, and you would just share your shop. So you go to visit shop, you would take this link, and then you would put cat merch, and then post the link right there. All right. And for some reason, I think I must have hit upload before it was finished, like downloading. So this video is like, it turned out being nothing. So all I did is I went back over to Canva and I re-downloaded it and it worked just fine. But yeah, so that's pretty much that. Once it's done, you'll be able to just add a thumbnail if you want, but you can just pick a thumbnail from the video because it's not actually a full video. So that's what I suggest. That's what everyone who does shorts does anyways. So just pick one of the options there once there's an actual video, and then you can just add some tags if you want. Really not important again for these shorts because it's uploaded into like its own part. You know what I mean? So you just hit next. You won't have monetization, so I'll just click off for this one. You would click next. Don't worry about that. Next, and then what you would do is you would go to public and then you would hit publish. All right, and that's all you have to do. Oh, one more thing is if you're using these Creative Commons videos, make sure to look at what other Creative Commons, like people who upload those type of videos, do. It's usually something like this video has the Creative Commons license. If you don't want this video uploaded, please email us at whatever at gmail.com and we will take it down or something like that, just so you're on the safe side. You know what I mean? That's really the only other thing. And then that literally, like if I wasn't showing you how to do it, this process just takes a couple of minutes. So you can upload 2 to 3, 4, 5, as many videos as you want per day because it's so simple. And YouTube is really pushing these shorts videos right now. Plus they're gonna start paying soon. So absolutely insane. And you can even make money from your affiliate link and your merch. Okay, so this is a great strategy. But at the end of the day, what I do want to say is you're relying on other people's content, right? there's actually a really simple way to get started on YouTube without showing your face. And if you want to learn how to do that, I have a brand new program called the No Face YouTube course. So if you go to nofaceyt.com, you can learn more there. And I just finished the first module, absolutely insane. So if you still want to get that discount while it's still available, make sure to go down to the first link in the description or go to nofaceyt.com. And that's all I got. I love you guys. I'll see you on the next video.